Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable dark theme or how you can switch between dark and light themes on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, you need to open the settings app on your Windows 11 operating system. You can open the search app by just clicking on the search icon and then just search for the settings app and then click on settings. This will open the settings app here. Otherwise, you can right click on your Windows icon and you can just click on the settings option here, which is also going to open the settings app. Now in the settings app window, just click on personalization and then just scroll down until you see colors and then click on colors here. Here you will see different settings. Also we have the choose your mode option. Right now it's custom, which means you can choose your default Windows mode and you can choose your default app mode. If you choose the dark mode as your default mode, let's see what happens. So I'm going to just choose the dark mode, and then all the windows which you open on your Windows operating system will appear in the dark theme, right? Also this taskbar is in the dark color. When I open the file explorer, it will be visible in the dark mode or in the dark shade. And when you will open let's say some third-party apps also, and if they support dark mode, then they will also appear in the dark mode. For example, this Google Chrome app, right? It appears in the dark mode, right? Let's open some more apps from here. Let's say I want to open control panel. So you can see the top of the menu is in dark mode, but some core settings are not in the dark mode, right? So this is how you can change to dark mode. If you want to switch back to the normal mode, just once again go to personalization and then click on colors, and then under choose your mode you can just switch to the light mode. And once you choose the light mode, everything will be in the light mode, including your taskbar. And when I will open third-party apps like Google Chrome, you can see it turns into the light mode. Also the file explorer is in the light mode, or you can choose the custom mode from here. So when you choose the custom mode, you have the option to choose the default mode for Windows. So I generally choose the dark mode for this, and I leave the app mode as light. Okay, so this is my preference, but you can choose dark mode for both or light mode for both, or you can choose dark or light mode from this list. So this is how you can switch between dark and light mode on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.